Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday, 23rd of July, Asian pre-open. Our engine tracks 27 markets every morning on pipinsight.co.uk, and this session we have selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture. 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's Asian pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, Aussie dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: pound dollar, Kiwi dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you're here for the gold analysis, you're in the right place, and there's plenty to unpack this morning. Gold is currently sitting around $4,131, and the overall bias remains moderately bullish. The 4-hour structure tells the clearest story. We've seen a strong impulsive rally all the way from the $3,990 region, pushing price up to a session high of $4,171. That move has now stalled, and for good reason. The 4-hour EMA-200 sits at $4,168, right inside the overhead resistance zone between $4,160 and $4,172. Price tagged that level intraday but couldn't close above it, so we're currently in a digestion phase, the market absorbing those gains rather than giving them back aggressively. On the hourly, price has been ranging between roughly $4,114 and $4,144 overnight, which looks more like consolidation than reversal. RSI on the 4-hour is elevated at nearly 73, so momentum is maturing and caution on extended upside is warranted. On the fundamental side, unemployment claims land at 8:30 this morning. A softer than expected number could support the dollar and apply some pressure to gold, while a weaker jobs reading might reinvigorate safe haven and rate cut appetite, potentially giving gold a push toward that resistance cluster. Into the session, keep your focus on $4,110s to $4,125 as the floor and $4,160 to $4,172s as the ceiling. Euro dollar. The chart is showing tentative bullish structure on this session. The 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.145 and 1.1455. Support is marked between 1.1405 and 1.1412. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 1.3415 and 1.3421. Support is marked between 1.3358 and 1.3361. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 163.18 and 163.24. Support is marked between 162.98 and 163.02. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8145 and 0.8149. Support is marked between 0.8118 and 0.8123. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.7028 and 0.7032. Support is marked between 0.6998 and 0.70025. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 0.583 and 0.5836. Support is marked between 0.5809 and 0.5814. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the Asian pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We brought you the day's clearest charts from the 27 markets we track daily. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. Our flagship analysis publishes every weekday before the London Open, with all 27 markets broken down on pipinsight.co.uk. Follow us on X @ForexXinsight for updates. See you next time.